Hey, what's up, everybody? So last season, I had the opportunity to head out to Silverton for the very first time with the Patagonia crew through Snowboard Magazine, and it was sick. The terrain out there is just absolutely mind-blowing, so steep, so beautiful. I got to ride the resort. We did a backcountry splitboard day, and I got to ride with a lot of great people. I got some laps with Patagonia ambassadors, Alex Yoder, Forrest Shearer, met a bunch of other great people as well, like Colleen Quigley, Ben Gavelda, Al Spriggs, and Seth Hewitt was out there. It was super fun to go ride with those guys. But aside from just checking out the quaint town of Silverton and exploring the terrain, the main reason I went out there was to test out their all-new POW Slayer freeride kit they've been working on the last few years. So I want to take a second, just jump into that and share with you guys what they're up to over at Patagonia and what this POW Slayer kit's all about. So as you can see in the photos, the POW Slayer kit is what we're all wearing. It's got freeride in the name, and it's geared towards big day, big mountain adventures. Whether you're at the resort or getting in the backcountry, splitboarding, hiking, it's gonna have that super durable, technical 3-layer feel. First thing I noticed with the POW Slayer kit is it's very lightweight and has a durable shell construction. It's got that like crunchy, durable feel that you'd expect in a very technical kit like this. You can tell, even though it's super thin, it's still gonna stand up to a beating in some long days in the mountains. It's got a lot of well thought out features like oversized chest pockets that expand outwards. They can hold real bulky items like your skins when you're changing over out there in the backcountry, as well as some hidden stretch panels so you can put your hood up without having to unzip the jacket. A low profile, thin powder skirt so you don't even feel it when you're not using it in the jacket, as well as an articulated design in the pants so they're comfortable when you're out there hiking around or heading up the skin track, with oversized pockets on the thighs that expand outward as well for even more storage space. Outside of that, the kit offers all the standard features you'd expect in a high-end kit, like watertight zippers and tons of venting so you can really temperature regulate very well as you're out there doing these types of long day dynamic activities. But there's two other things I really want to highlight with this kit. First is the fabric they chose. It's 100% recycled 3L Gore-Tex Pro jacket with a shell construction, super light and packable like I mentioned before, but still has a very noticeably durable feel to it. But the big thing, aside from being recycled, is that it uses 100% PFAS-free membrane and DWR. That is the big overhaul change with the new POW Slayer freeride kit. You're gonna get that top tier storm performance while using environmentally friendly waterproofing and membranes. Now, if you're nerdy about this stuff, you may be wondering if stepping away from the traditional fluorinated waterproofing chemicals and using the more eco-friendly stuff is gonna have a big performance difference. And the short answer is, yeah, there is going to be a little bit of a performance difference, but it's still going to work extremely well. And the Patagonia crew is very vocal about educating us about this stuff, so I want to share this with you as well. You basically are just going to have to maintain your gear a little bit better. You know, just wash them more regularly, maybe reapply DWR every season or two, depending how much you use it. But simply just washing and particularly drying your gear is going to reactivate that DWR and give you that top tier waterproofing again. But it is still going to hold up very well, although not quite as good as the old C6 stuff. But that's the trade-off for going full environmentally friendly and stepping away from those chemicals. And I think it's worth it. And the other notable thing with the POW Slayer kit is that it's designed to work together as a system. They designed everything from the base layers to the mid layers to the outerwear to even the backpack to all work together so that it's very functional throughout the entire day. The whole range of temperatures, from early mornings, getting your gear together, you know, overheating as you're hiking up, being able to vent and shed layers and pack that in your bag. And even when you're all buttoned up, you got your pack on, you got your hip belt done up, you can still access all the pockets. It's all very functional and it really works together, even down to where the seams and the waterproofing are located layer to layer. So you're gonna get that protection regardless of where you are in your day. You're covered from the skin outwards. That's kind of the whole idea with the freeride kit. It all works together as a system, and I think they executed very well. This is something that has been years in the making, working to shift away from long chain fluorinated chemicals, still give you that top tier performance, but be truly environmentally friendly. So that's what the freeride kit's all about. Had a great time testing it out in Silverton. That place is incredible. I'm definitely going to be back there and share what that terrain is like in a little bit more detail, maybe later this season, hopefully. But big thank you to Patagonia and Snowboard Mag and the entire Silverton crew for taking great care of us while we were out there. It was really cool to see what that zone is all about and the terrain you can access out there while testing gear and making some friends along the way. So appreciate it. Hope you guys got some value out of this one, and I'll see you next time. Later, guys.